I think it's worth everyone knowing what Justice O'Connor is doing right now in the area of civic education. Maybe you can share a little.
Yeah, I'd be happy to tell you a little bit about it. I grew up on a very remote ranch in Arizona and New Mexico. We didn't have any schools. And my parents had to send me someplace, so they sent me to El Paso, Texas, to my maternal grandparents, where I lived to go to school. And I went to school in El Paso, and we had lots of civics in El Paso. And today, a strange thing is happening. I mean, there's a lot we need to teach our young people today. We want to be competitive in the world. We want our young people to learn everything. But the inclination today is to drop civics and not teach it. And this is pretty serious because about 2/3 of Americans today cannot name the 3 branches of government. Not even name them, much less say what they do. And this just won't do. I mean, it really won't. We have to resume teaching civics, like it or not, even if it can be dull. Like sometimes I guess it can be, but it's very important. So when I stepped down from the court, I helped organize a conference at Georgetown Law School. It was handy, close by, and we talked about this problem. And the conclusion was we needed an education program. And I got some people together to start a website. Everything is iPad, iPod, everything. So we started iCivics. And got it going. And we realized that this was terribly important and that we needed to do a good job. But it became apparent right away that we should make it big enough to cover all 3 branches of government and do a good job. And we got a great group of teachers together to advise us on specifically what we need to cover. And we decided to teach by creating games. We do it with games that the young people play on the website. And they love these games. They have so much fun. At that age, they spend an average of 40 hours a week in front of a screen, whether it's TV and or computer. And I only need about an hour. So we've really got a marvelous thing now going, and it's very exciting to see. If you know anybody in any middle school in this state, I want you to talk to them and say they have to use iCivics. And it's just great. And I've kept it free, so it costs the school, nothing to use it. And it's very effective.